all of you friends. A very warm and a hearty welcome to all of you. On behalf of BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams, I, Surajit Bhaduri, welcome each and every one of you for today's live session on legal shorts. So friends, a warm and a hearty welcome to each and every one of you out there. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. So friends, in today's session, I shall be discussing with you some very important questions for CLAT 2022 and 2023. So if you are preparing for CLAT 2022 or 2023, here is a very important set of questions that I will be discussing with you in the course of today's session. So are we all ready to start with today's session, friends? Are we all ready to start with today's session? Okay, fantastic. So here we go. But before we start, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive preparation course along with foundation module for CLAT 2023. So if you are preparing for CLAT 2023, here is a fantastic comprehensive preparation course along with foundation module for you. BYJU'S Exam Prep also brings to you an express course for Maharashtra CET, AILET, SLAT, BLAT, Jamia, LL.B 2022. So here is another express course for Maharashtra CET, AILET, SLAT, BLAT and Jamia. So apart from CLAT, I am sure that you will also be appearing for other host of examination. To prepare for those other host of examination, this is the course that you are required to join. BYJU'S Exam Prep also brings to you a crash course for CLAT 2022. So guys, let's begin. Up on your screen is a question. I want each and every one of you to give me the correct answer to this question. There is a legal maxim. You have to tell me the correct answer to this question. Okay. Is there any answers by now? Any answers? Any answers, guys, from you? Okay, I've got answers like B. Okay, the correct answer is yes, it is B. An argument which is drawn from an authority, a former judgment for that matter, or something sorry, I'm extremely sorry, or any other authority of law. If an argument is drawn from an authority, it is the strongest in law. That is what the maxim deals with. So the correct answer is option B. Option B is the right answer, friends. Very good. Moving on to the question number 2. Moving on to question number 2. The parliament was adjourned dash following uproars seen over the discussion of the controversial bill. The Parliament was adjourned sine qua non, quid pro quo, sine die, or Uberrimae Fidei. And the correct answer is the Parliament was adjourned sine die till further notice. Till further notice, the Parliament has been adjourned. So the correct answer happens to be option D. Very good. So if you are liking today's session, guys, do press the like button and share this session with your friends. Correct answer is option D. Very good. Moving on to question number 3. The public authority can blank publish information under the Right to Information Act. Is it ipso facto, sub judice, suo motu, sine qua non? Which of the following? A public authority from itself can publish information. Okay. No, it is not suo motu. It is not suo motu. It is not suo motu. The correct answer is ipso facto. From itself. Ipso facto. Suo motu is taking cognizance of a matter. The High Court or the Supreme Court, suppose there is a matter relating to public concern, it can take something on its own. Okay. Okay, so the correct answer is ipso facto. Very good, guys, very good. Okay. Moving on to question number 4. Who is the head of the state executive? Is it the principal secretary, chief minister, or the governor? The head of the state executive. Please give me your answers. Okay, and the correct answer is very good. The head of the executive, state executive, happens to be the governor. Similarly, the head of the executive of the union happens to be the president of the country. Okay, now one more thing. Right now, let me tell you, this has just come in my mind that you should know the governor of each and every state. Okay, who is the governor, chief minister, chief justices of every state? You must have that knowledge of. Okay, moving on to question number 5. Who was the speaker of the 16th Lok Sabha? The 16th Lok Sabha. Who was the speaker of the 16th Lok Sabha? Was it Mira Kumar? Was it Somnath Chatterjee? Was it Manohar Joshi? Or was it Sumitra Mahajan? Which of the following is the correct answer? And the correct answer is very good. It is option D, Sumitra Mahajan. Sumitra Mahajan was the speaker of the 16th Lok Sabha. Right now, it is the 17th Lok Sabha, which is Om Birla. The present one is the 17th Lok Sabha. The present Lok Sabha is the 17th Lok Sabha, where the speaker is Shri Om Birla. Okay. Option D. Moving on to question number 6. A writ of mandamus. A writ of mandamus can be granted against which of the bodies? Okay. A writ of mandamus can be issued against which of the bodies? President, governor, a company registered under the Companies Act, or none of the above? And the correct answer is a writ of mandamus cannot be issued against the president, against the governor, but can be issued against a registered company under the Companies Act. Is that clear? Have I made myself clear to each and every one of you? Okay, so the correct answer is option C. Moving on to the question number 7. Which schedule contains acts and orders relating to land tenure, land tax, railways and industry? So there is this particular schedule under the Indian Constitution which deals with union list, state list and the concurrent list. So you have list 1, list 2 and list 3, right? Which schedule? And the correct answer is the 7th schedule, not the 9th schedule. 9th schedule is that schedule which deals with those laws which cannot be challenged in a court of law. Which cannot be challenged in a court of law. That is the 9th schedule, guys. Please, a lot of you have given me the answer called the 9th schedule. No, it is not the 9th schedule, but it is the 7th schedule. Okay. Moving on to question number 8. The procedure to amend the Indian Constitution. The process in which the Indian Constitution can be amended has been borrowed from which country's constitution? Okay. Is it the Constitution of the United States, UK Constitution, Russian Constitution, or the South African Constitution? Now, can you tell me which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the power and the procedure relating to constitutional amendment? Can you tell me which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the procedure to amend the Indian Constitution? Now, there is this article called Article 368. Article 368 lays down the procedure for constitutional amendment. Article 368. And this has been borrowed from the Constitution of South Africa. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. So the correct answer is option D. Moving on to question number 9. Which of the following is a part of the Electoral College which elects the President of India but does not form a part for impeachment of the President of India. So this is a body which votes for the election of the President but does not vote insofar as the impeachment of the President is concerned. Is it the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha? No. Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha definitely forms a part of that Electoral College. State Legislative Council and State Legislative Assembly. And the correct answer is the State Legislative Assembly does not form part of the forum of the impeachment process. Very tricky question, and most of you have given me the right answer. Very good, very good. So guys, if you're liking today's session, do press the like button. Okay, question number 10. The Montagu-Chelmsford Report forms the basis of which of the following act? Is it the Indian Council Act of 1909, the Government of India Act 1919, the Government of India Act 1935, or the India Independence Act of 1947? Which of the following act is based on the Montagu-Chelmsford Report? Okay, the correct answer is definitely some of you are giving me the right answers. Yes, Ishan saying it is the Government of India Act 1919. It is the Government of India Act 1919. Is that clear to each and every one of you? Okay, fantastic, fantastic. That's good to see. Very good to see you guys. Very good that you guys are giving me the right answer. Okay, moving on to question number 11. Read the question carefully and give me the correct answer. Which of the following is not true regarding the payment of emoluments of the President? Which of the following is not true regarding the payment of emoluments of the President? Tell me. Not true. Okay. Okay, and the correct answer is they are charged on the contingency fund of India. No, it is not true. It is not true. It is not charged on the contingency fund of India. That is not true. It can be reduced during financial emergency. Absolutely. They are shown separately in the budget. Absolutely. They do not require any parliamentary sanction. Yes. It is charged from the consolidated fund of India. It is charged from the consolidated fund of India. Am I clear? Each and every one of you? It is charged from the consolidated fund of India, not from the contingency fund of India. That's it. Am I clear? Yeah. Very good. Kapoor, Shashi Kapoor. Okay. Moving on to question number 12. Which of the following is not an essential qualification for appointment as a governor? Which of the following is not an essential qualification for appointment of a governor? He must be a citizen of India. He must have completed 35 years of age. Absolutely, absolutely. He must not be a member of the houses of the parliament. Absolutely. Which is not. The correct answer is option B. He should not be a domicile of the state to which he is appointed. For example, West Bengal governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. He is not a domicile of West Bengal, but he is appointed as the governor of West Bengal. Is that clear to each and everyone? Are you guys understanding? So the correct answer is option B. Requesting all of you at this juncture that you should know the names of the governor of each and every state. You must know the Chief Justice of each and every High Court. You must know the Chief Ministers of each and every state again. Okay? Is that clear? All of you? You must know this. Moving on to question number 13. Which article of the Indian Constitution? Which article of the Indian Constitution empowers the President to appoint a commission to investigate the condition of backward classes in general and suggest measures to deal with the backwardness of these classes? What is the correct answer? Okay, yeah, I'm getting A, D, A, D. Okay, ABS View says A, Deshpande says D. Okay, Akansha Sau says A, Priya Meena says D. And the correct answer is neither A, neither D, but something else. It is Article 340. Article 340. Article 340 of the Indian Constitution empowers the President to appoint a commission to investigate the condition of backwardness. Is that clear? Article 340 is the correct answer to this particular question, guys. Okay. Moving on to question number 14. If the President returns a bill sent to him for his assent and the Parliament once again passes the bill in its original form, then the President can do what? First time the President returns the bill. This is the first time. The bill is once again passed in its original form. Then the President has to give his consent, has to give his royal assent to the bill. Absolutely correct. Option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer, guys. Absolutely. The President does not have any other option rather than giving his royal assent to this particular bill. Is that clear? He cannot reject the bill or return the bill for the second time. He has to sign it the second time. Okay, is that clear? Fantastic. So if you guys are liking today's session, guys, do press on the like button. Do press on the like button if you are liking today's session. And definitely do not forget to share this session with your friends and others. Question number 15. In the emblem of Government of India, which of the following was adopted from the Mauryan dynasty? Which of the following was adopted from the Mauryan dynasty insofar as the emblem of the Government of India is concerned? Is it the horse? Is it the word Satyameva Jayate? Is it the 4 lions? Or is it the chariot wheel? Let's see. Okay, people are giving answers. C. Okay. Please do not spam. Mittal, Nandini, please do not spam. Yeah. Okay. The correct answer is the 4 lions. The correct answer is the 4 lions. This was what was adopted from the Mauryan dynasty insofar as the emblem of the Government of India is concerned. Okay. So, how many of you got all the 15 correct? How many of you have got all the 15 questions correct? Or rather, why don't you give me your marks in the chat box? And those who will be watching this video after the live session is over, I want each and every one of you to give me your scores in the chat. Okay? In the comment section. Okay, fantastic. So friends, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a booster course on legal affairs and current events for CLAT 2022. If you are preparing for CLAT 2022, here is a fantastic course made just for you. In this course, you get Build CLAT 2022 concepts for legal affairs, current events and static GK from scratch for beginners. Expert guidance by NLU alumni until the day of your exam, progress assessment test to gauge your performance at regular intervals, and highly interactive doubt clearing session. Now friends, do share this session and definitely do tell me how much you have scored in the chat box, not in the live chat box, but in the comment section after the video is over. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's session. I hope you understood certain important facts which you ought to know once you are preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Have a great weekend, guys. Take care of yourself. All the very, very best. Bye-bye.